Good day learners. In the previous video we're doing the potential difference divider, that is the voltage divider. Pha series sibonisa nje uba the voltage there is divided. Then we are on parallel combination. Now we want to check what is happening here on parallel combination. Okay, is the voltage divided or the current is divided or njalo njalo. So we are going to do that on this video quickly. So I have the voltmeter here, I have the ammeter that will help us to check the current kuzo zonke ikona pha, kuzo zonke injection esinazo. Okay, so if you can look here, we have a battery, then there is a wire from the battery, as you can see. Then we have this ammeter on this wire ye battery. But xa sifika lapha kubekho injection, right? Naxa sifika lapha kubekho injection, sifuna ujonga ke ngoku what happens to voltage and current kwezi injections. Okay, now let's quickly do it. Let's first check the voltage on the battery. The total voltage on the battery is 4 volts, that is 4,00 volts. Then let's check kwi-resistor nganye pha. So it's 4, sorry for uyigqwetha, it's 4,00. Let's check here, it's 4,00. Let's check to that one, it's 4,00. Now if you can look at this, the voltage is the same here, is the same throughout. Okay, so let's check if I put the voltmeter here and here. So if I put it here, which means I cover all the three, but still it's 4,00 ngoku ndisicoverishe ezoyi-3. That is a voltage. Okay, so the voltage does not change on parallel combination. Let's quickly go to a current. The current here, look at the current here, it's 1,20. So which means that is the current from the battery, because i-battery la ntambo isuka phi ebhetrini, the current is 1,20. Sijonge konke lapha, the current is 1,20 amperes. But xa sifika lapha kukho intambo enyukayo, kubekho intambo eya kweli cala, which means apha there is a division ethile, there is a split here. So masijonge lapha ke ngoku, the current here is 0,4, which means kula 1,20 kweli cala kuze bani u-0,40 only. Then siye kweli cala kuye bani u-0,80. Okay, so sino 0,80 hamba la, because u-0,4 ulapha kulena i-resistor, u-0,4 ushiyeke bani ngo u-0,8. nakuya u-0,8 ehamba. Xa sifika lapha there is a junction ethile pha. Okay, so which means the current will split again. Nansi current inyuka u-0,4, so which means nakweli cala kuzohamba bani u-0,4. Now when you combine 0,4 plus 0,4 plus this 0,4 here, you get the total, which is 1,20. So in this case the current here is splitted, or you can say the current is divided, but the voltage remains the same. Iyafana u-4,00, 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 u-4,00. So all in all, a parallel combination is called a current divider, whereas u-series yena simbiza ngoba yi-potential difference divider okanye i-voltage divider. You need to know this. Thank you.